Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get Xbox Game Pass for 12 months, completely free. Yes, you heard that right. A full year of Xbox Game Pass. I'll walk you through the full step-by-step tutorial using just your mobile phone, and it works on both iPhone and Android. It only takes a few minutes, and at the end, you'll have a redeemable 12-month Game Pass code ready to go. If this works for you, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment so more people can find this while the codes are still active. Alright, let's get into it. Step 1. Grab your phone and open your browser. You can use Safari, Chrome, whatever works for you. Then go to this site, twistycoupons.com. Once you're there, scroll through the offers until you see the one that says Free Xbox Game Pass. Tap on it. You'll see a page with details and probably a counter showing how many codes are left. These go fast, so don't wait around. Now, when you click into it, you'll notice the Game Pass code is locked. To unlock it, all you need to do is complete 2 quick sponsor offers. These are always 100% free and super easy. No hidden fees, no subscriptions, nothing shady. Here's the kind of stuff they might ask you to do. Download a free app and open it. Reach a certain level in a mobile game or try out a VPN. It seriously only takes 5 to 10 minutes tops. Once you complete 2 of those tasks, come back to the site, and your 12-month Xbox Game Pass code should be unlocked. If it doesn't show up right away, try doing one more offer just to be safe. Sometimes it takes a minute to sync. Now, just copy the code, open up your Xbox, or go to the official redemption page on the Microsoft website, paste it in, and boom! You've got Xbox Game Pass for a whole year. That's access to hundreds of games, online play, day one releases, all for free. It's super simple, and it actually works. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what games you're gonna play first. And if you need help with anything, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.